Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Just like a real tractor, the John Deere style tractor, big 12-volt battery electric ride-on, is a game changer for children to imagine themselves on their very own farm and having fun playing outside. It's suitable for children of up to 7 years of age or up to 122 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. This multimedia player is compatible with both our key-shaped USB sticks and our brand new Bluetooth adapters. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.